Hello everyone, I hope you're having an amazing day and I welcome you to today's video of our full backyard makeover. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This video is the full step-by-step in how we were able to achieve our dream backyard oasis. We started with a backyard that is nothing but empty dirt and a clean slate. We always envisioned to have an outdoor space that can bring relaxation at the end of our day and a place where we can host and entertain our family and friends. We slowly but surely was able to have our pool built, concrete placed, turf installed, gazebo and pergola built, a place to melt our marshmallows, and eat and dine on our patio seating set and dining set area, and all the DIY projects we have done to this backyard, like our DIY garden space for our fruit trees and flowers to grow and flourish. We absolutely love how our backyard has all come to be and enjoy lounging in our pool to soak in the sun, quite especially while our cordless robotic pool vacuum Winnie 200 SE cleans our pool for us. With its 60 minutes runtime and has auto reverse clean as it touches our pool wall, and has a powerful suction that can easily pick debris and so much more from our pool floor, and is extremely easy to clean and can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours. This cordless vacuum is small but powerful that can easily pick up dirt, leaves, and debris with its absorbing capacity filter and sponge, leaving our pool spick and span. It is extremely easy to use. Simply press the button on the bottom and drop it in the pool and watch it go and do its thing. We also love how lightweight it is and how affordable it is. Winnie 200 SE, a powerful and efficient robotic vacuum, relies on dual powerful drive motors to rid your pool of leaves, sand, dirt, pet hair, and debris. With a rapid speed of 52.5 feet per minute, it quickly cleans pools up to 30 feet. It is cordless and hassle-free. Cleaning our pool has never been easier. It is 100% cordless with zero to little installation required. Just place it in the water and let it work its magic. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 60 minutes of cleaning after 3 to 4 hours of charging. You can forget it while your pool gets a thorough vacuuming as you relax in or by your pool. With its innovative design, this robotic pool cleaner combines impact resistance with a transparent crystal-like appearance. Effortlessly activated, it glides through water and ensuring durability while looking aesthetic. As you can see here, it has the capability to flip its way back to its position. Winnie 200 SE fits various pool shapes featuring touch and reverse technology. The pool robot will reverse its cleaning direction as soon as it touches the pool wall, with 2 adjustable dials to set the overall cleaning pattern of the device and establish the optimal cleaning path for the shape of your pool, suitable for above ground flat floor pools and regular pools regardless of the pool shape design. We have already collaborated with WYBOT before and absolutely love their cordless pool vacuum and their Winnie 200 SE. As I have mentioned before, we love that it's easy to use and safe, with it being lightweight at just 6.6 pounds. Getting the pool vacuum in and out of the water is simple. It operates at a low voltage for enhanced safety. It has smart self-docking technology, ensures that it comes to a stop near the pool wall at the end of its cycle when the battery runs low for easy retrieval. We love its quality assurance, having each unit undergo rigorous underwater testing before packaging to guarantee optimal performance upon delivery. Here you can see how much dirt and debris and leaves it had collected from cleaning our pool and how easy it was to dump and clean the filter. I will leave links and info for this cordless pool vacuum cleaner on the description box below for you, and thank you WYBOT for partnering with me in today's video. Now to continue with the whole backyard makeover, we hope you enjoy the whole backyard makeover and get ideas and inspirations as we go. Thank you in advance for being here, and we hope you stay till the end to see the whole full transformation.